morning, guys. It's 6:30 in the morning and minus 16. Let's get this one started.
There you go, sir.
Appreciate that.
Enjoy your morning. Thank you.
You too. As you can see, I'm a little bit up in the Alpine right now, just working my way up. But yeah, I thought I'd show you guys a little bit of view. Alright, just had a little snack. Just took a 5-10 minute break. Still kind of got a ways to go up there, as you can kind of see. Not too far, but still quite a bit of incline. I did just finish going up over here, up and across, back down, then there's a little valley. But yeah, just a quick little break. Catch my breath, grab some water, and I'll be up there. The summit's not too much further up, but it's over a 45-degree angle up here, and it's not an easy one. So I'll call her quits here. As you can see, I got this tree holding myself up. Thank you. But pretty wicked view right now. You can kind of see Kananaskis Highway back there, and overall pretty amazing scenery. So yeah, back there, I wish I could go up there, honestly, but again, just being by myself, it's not the right decision. So play it safe here, head back down safely, take my time. Again, 2 feet of snow is just insane. Felt myself slipping a lot, couple accidents, but that's expected. We'll have a little bit of water here and enjoy the view. Alright guys, I found a decently quiet roadside pullout here. Just relax for a few hours before driving back. If you hear any cars in the background, that's just the highway, but figured I'd show you guys my little setup before I go eat some lunch here. It's pretty simple, straightforward. Obviously this is the back of the vehicle. You can see here I've got the memory foam. I've got a couple sleeping bags in there. Just a blanket over top. Over here I've got a little bit of gear. I always make sure I just take that gear with me, even if there was a break-in. I'd have that in my hiking bag. I've got my window coverings on the side here. This kind of helps with privacy, keeps a little bit of extra heat in. Come around on the side here. I've got my night light my food storage for the weekend. It all stays cold because, well, it is cold. Got my potato salad, some pulled chicken, a sandwich, frozen banana, granola bar. Needed that for Netflix last night, so I got those chips there. Got my hiking bag down here, the bear spray. Pretty straightforward, honestly. I got the wet gear over there after that hike. Front of the setup here, pretty straightforward from the Nissan Xterra. I got some extra clothes on that side. I actually keep my boots down here after a hike, so when they're wet, they just sit right there, but fairly straightforward setup there. I'll take you around the other side because I moved this passenger side seat up quite a bit. That way I can fit the mattress, and then underneath the mattress I'm able to fit a little extra storage unit here. Just a little IKEA clothing holder, so it's got a little towel, bathing suit in there. You guys can kind of see that. You can see from the side here. Got that memory foam mattress, and that green foam there is actually a couple patio chair seats that I got, so just adds a little bit of cushion. And yeah, I'm gonna eat up a little bit of food here, maybe just listen to a little audiobook, and yeah, that should close out the day. And before I head back, it's what time is it now? 2 o'clock, minus 10 right now. Not too bad, but yeah, pretty great day so far. Alright, I just finished gassing up and grabbing a coffee on my way back home here. So yeah, looking back, it was a pretty great weekend. For those of you guys that know me, you know I love to just get out when I can, head out to the mountains and just kind of live simply. It doesn't have to be anything too crazy. Just throwing a mattress in the back of my SUV in the winter, and I know I've bought a van and stuff like that, but in the winter it's just safer driving conditions for me to continue with the SUV and doing that kind of style, and then in the other seasons I can bring out the van. And I'm excited to show you guys on my channel what I have going on there. And yeah, just I wanted to express how much I love you know, this concept of van life. It's been kind of in my system since I was 16 years old or so, and it's crazy to look back on so many years and realize now that I actually have a van and I'm doing this, and I have a job that can support quick weekend trips like this. And you know, I just wanted to share with you guys, with my friends, and just document it more so for my sake. And I think it would just be amazing to be able to show my kids one day what I was doing when I was 22, and what it looked like and what I look like, because who knows what I'll look like 20 years from now. So yeah, anyways, just thanks for watching. I'm gonna have a couple more videos lined up here. Heading to Dallas this week, and I'm staying in kind of a unique place through Airbnb, so I'll let you guys know what that looks like when that happens. But thanks for watching. Peace out from Jay Van Hey.